Hello and welcome to Morpholio Trace. If you're an architect, interior, or landscape designer, here are 10 hidden trace features that will completely change the way you draw. Let's check them out. Now, you can measure the perimeter of any area in seconds. Just tap on the Smart Fill tool, move the crosshair to any region, and you can see both the area and the perimeter. Here's the cool part. Draw a line and the measurements will live update. You can also switch to multi-region to select and get the sum of more than one part. Hit these buttons to apply the fill and area and perimeter markers. Plus, tap on the chart to copy it, and then you can paste it into a text box. This tool helps you work smarter while making gorgeous drawings. See the length of your lines as you draw in real time. Just go to your wrench, tap Preferences, and then turn on Show Line Length. Now if I want to draw a rug here that's 1.8 meters by 2 meters, I can easily see the length of the line as I draw it. When I turn on the rest of the layers, you can see how a precise line drawing can turn into a masterpiece. Export your sketches as vector files to transfer directly into CAD, 3D, or any design software. All you have to do is hit Export, select Vector, and then tap Continue. You'll see a preview of all your vector line work that you can export as a DXF file. Then, you can import this into your favorite CAD software including AutoCAD, Vectorworks, SketchUp, Revit, Rhino, ArchiCAD, MicroStation, Shaper 3D, Illustrator, and much more. Did you know you can get a scaled site plan instantly? Trace lets you find any location and then automatically sets the scale for you. First, hit the plus button on the project page, tap Maps, and then zoom in or input an address of your site. You can switch between the Apple Maps or satellite mode at the top. When you find the perfect view, hit the green check and a new project will be created. Notice that the scale is automatically set so you can immediately start measuring and drawing with your ruler. You can see we went ahead and built up this drawing, starting with an initial scaled sketch and then added more details to build up a powerful site plan. Autoscale maps and trace make it so fast to start any sort of site drawing. Marking up PDFs in Trace just got a huge boost. You can now import PDFs with annotations made in other software like Bluebeam and Acrobat. When I jump from page to page, you can see how all the annotations are now visible. Second, as architects ourselves, we know that drawing sets are always updating. Now, you can replace the background of any PDF page and maintain the full resolution of the underlay. Just open the layer actions on the background layer, tap Change Background, and then select the updated PDF. When you zoom in, you'll see that the PDF maintains its full vector resolution. You asked and we did it. Turn any stroke into a straight line instantly by simply holding the end. First, turn the setting on in your wrench. No matter what line you draw, you can simply hold your pencil in place to get a perfectly straight line. This is sure to streamline your workflow for any design drawing. If you want to get back to your original stroke, just tap the screen with 2 fingers to undo the straight line. Merging layers in Trace just got a whole lot easier. You can now simply tap on the layer actions for any drawing layer and tap Merge Down to combine it with the drawing layer directly below it in the stack. Note that the layers have to be similarly sized so that all the line work from the top layer will be able to be added to the layer below. This also works great for merging text layers and dimension layers too. Use the Halo laser pointer to navigate conversation when you're sharing your screen on a call. Just select the laser pointer from your brush set and change the color and size just like any other brush. This super helpful tool lets you point to your drawing without making a mark. Plus, try pressing and tilting your pencil for some magic. You can now easily crop any image, sketch, or layer at any time. In this case, we want to add this floor texture to the bathroom, but it's the wrong size. Just open the layer actions, tap Edit, and then hit the crop button. Once you get the perfect crop, tap the check to confirm your changes. This new crop feature makes creating amazing collage drawings like this one so much easier. Ready to write like an architect? We've added some incredible new text capabilities along with an amazing architectural font made just for you. To add a text layer, tap this button in the layer toolbar. A new layer will be created and you'll see a new text box appear. Just start typing. You can drag the box to reposition it and resize it to fit your text. To add more boxes to this layer, tap the Add Text button or duplicate another text box. After adding multiple text boxes, tap on the Select mode to highlight multiple text boxes and batch edit the style. You can change the color, size, and even switch to our incredible new Architect's font, which will perfectly match your sketch and your dimensions. Hit Done to return to your drawing. If you need to add more text boxes later, just double tap on the layer to continue adding and editing. If you're an architect, interior, or landscape designer, we've been listening to your feedback and added a ton of great features that will supercharge your design process. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. This is a major help to our small team. We can't wait to see what you make with these tools, so when you share your work, tag Morpholio so we can find your work and feature it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other how-to videos.